Namaste and welcome to today's yoga block asana practice. Come to sit on your block, keeping your pelvis slightly tilted forward. The spine needs to be tall, crown of the head reaching up towards the sky, and sit bones rooting down, feeling all points of contact with the block. Start breathing, inhaling, expanding the back of the ribs, and exhale through the mouth, making sure your exhale is complete. Continue taking 5 deep breaths in Sukhasana, finding more and more sukha or ease and relaxation as you exhale. As you enter deeper states of physical relaxation, bring your awareness to the Bro Madhya, your seat of awareness, and think about your sankalpa, your intention. Why have you made this time to do the practice today? Set your sankalpa and gently open your eyes. We start with deep ape or mal asana, your yogic squat. Make sure the block is stacked so that your spine is able to stay tall. Bring your feet wider than the hips and place your toes turned out. This is the posture for groundedness. Take a few deep breaths here into the lower belly. Let your groins release, not by force, but through permission. Let's begin the standing postures. Turn your feet out like so, placing the foot perpendicular, right foot turned out from the hip. We're starting with the basic Trikona asana. Inhale to lengthen the spine and exhale. Place the right hand on the block. Lift your left arm towards the sky. Now feel the two directions, down through the back of the foot and up through the lifted hand, the spine maintaining length. And inhale, come back to standing. Exhale, Samastiti. Repeat the same on the left. The same shape but a slightly different experience. Notice if your left hamstring is tighter. Trikonasana. Inhale, arms to the shoulder. Exhale, reach before you drop. Left hand to the block, right arm to the sky. Externally rotate the body and observe. How is this experience different from the right side? Notice. Now, when you're ready, inhale, come back, chest up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Let's switch to twisted triangle, Parivritta Trikonasana. Close your back foot. Both your toes are pointing in the same direction now. Inner thighs come together. Left hand to the base of the spine and right arm reaches forward. Now remember, I'm folding over my left front leg, Trikonasana, to twisted triangle over the left front leg. Alignment is right hand reaches down towards the block, left palm to the sky, creating a nice, beautiful twist, articulating through the spine. Now release, bring your left hand back to the hip, maintaining closed hips. Parshvottasana, pyramid posture over that front left leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, crown of the head forward and eventually down. Hips are in the same position, inner thighs coming together. Use your blocks to bring that chest up. Inhale, lengthen. Keep that left front leg nice and long without bending the knee. And when you're ready, bend that left knee and exit safely. Step forward. Samastitihi. Let's switch and finish off the other side. Parivritta Trikonasana followed by Parshvottasana. pyramid posture. Both over the right front leg. Ready. Right hand at the base of the spine. Left arm reach. Place on the block. Experience a twist. Twist begins at the navel, not at the shoulder. Remember that. And then breathe. Always exhale to deepen the rotation. Let the rotation of the body happen from inside. And then slowly unwind. Switch. Lengthen the spine. Reach your arms forward into pyramid posture. If you want, you can add hands in prayer behind the back. Lengthen the crown of the head forward and then collapse all the way down. Watch my hands reaching out to the blocks to maintain that length in the spine. Pyramid posture, Parshvottasana. And then bend that right knee, step forward, Samastitihi. Entering wide-legged forward fold. Feet goes wider than your hips. Place your blocks right in the middle where your head might go. Hands to the hips. Inhale, heart lifts up. Exhale, enter forward fold. You can place your hands on the block, to the floor, top of the head on the block. The crown of the head is the variation that I'm showing, hands reaching for the ankle. This is a beautiful parasympathetic posture. The inversion calms the vagal pathway. So deepen into your exhale and release a little bit more. Just maintain the shape and let gravity do the decompressing for you. Soften your jaw. Now inhale, come back to standing, rooting through your feet, and exhale, Samastitihi. Let's switch to the half moon and twisted half moon postures. Ardha Chandrasana. I'm starting with my right foot stationary and my left foot is going to travel or float. Place your blocks accordingly. I like to place my block on the outside edge of the mat so that there is enough space. You're going to enter as if you're doing a warrior 3. So let's prepare. Right leg front step, left leg up, as if you're entering warrior 3 or T position. Make sure your back heel stays lifted, hands on the block. Now, right hand remains as you try and place the left hand on the hip. Open the torso, open body twisting. And when you find stability, left arm reaches for the sky. Now, this is advanced. This requires a lot of balance, so you can bend your knee. Now, let's achieve a twist. Right foot is still stationary, left hand to the floor. Achieve the twist, find stability, and then right palm to the sky. Keep that left foot reaching up, glute nice and active. Parivritta Ardha Chandrasana, twisted half moon. Once again, bend your knee, find stability, and then place your left foot down, Samastitihi. Now, right foot floating, lengthen the spine, find stability. Left hand is on the block, open body twist. I'm taking a moment here to stabilize myself in warrior 3 before I go into the half moon posture. Left side. Always remember, left foot, left hand grounded, right palm reaching up. Now slowly bend the knee. Let's enter the twist. Left foot is still stationary, but right palm reaches the floor. And then left hand towards the sky. Once again, this is an advanced posture, so you can bend your knees. Find your balance, breathe. See what's different on the other side. See what's the same. And then slowly return to kneeling, feet together, hands to heart center, Samastitihi. Take a deep breath and let your body know that it was cared for. Namaste.